तुमने एक स्टेटमेंट कही थी एक्टर्स इनसिक्योर होते हैं पर दिखाते नहीं है, क्या तुम भी अपनी इनसिक्योरिटी कभी कभार कवर करते हो?
All the time. I think all actors are insecure. I think it's the nature of the job, because there's so many unknowns in our profession. It's not a traditional 9 to 5 job. There is an element of luck that's involved. There's an element of chance at the right place, the right time. It's about permutations and combinations of films running on that Friday or not running. And yeah, it's a tough business. So obviously insecurities only.
You know, I don't need to say this to you, पर तुम बहुत ही honest हो मेरे साथ, of course, and with the world. Like I tell you, you're a very relatable guy. सच में बोलो, कभी do you keep a tab कि अक्षय कुमार क्या कर रहा है मार्केट में, वरुण धवन क्या कर रहा है, रणबीर क्या कर रहा है, रणबीर क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे वो एक्चुअली टैब रखने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि वो एनीवेज वो आ जाता है गूगल फीड पर, तो पता चल जाता है. सो आई डोंट गो अराउंड गूगलिंग और फाइंडिंग अबाउट एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट आस्किंग व्हाट व्हिच एक्टर इज डूइंग व्हाट. वो न्यूज़ एनीवेज इंडस्ट्री बहुत ही छोटी जगह है. अगर आपको नहीं भी पता करना है तो कहीं किसी फोन कॉल पे या किसी प्रोड्यूसर के ऑफिस में पता चल ही जाता है कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. सो बट आई डोंट गो आउट ऑफ माय वे. इट्स ऑफ नो कॉन्सिक्वेंस. आई डोंट थिंक अदर एक्टर्स डू दैट आल्सो. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स ऑफ एनी कॉन्सिक्वेंस.
पर मुझे बताओ, करंट लॉट में एक यंग एक्टर, तुम खुद यंग हो, जिसके साथ तुम बोलते हो आई वांट टू बी ऑन स्क्रीन विद दिस गाय, ही इज ब्लडी टैलेंटेड एंड ये मुझे टक्कर देगा.
I like Ranveer Singh. I think he's got this it's a very effortless way of acting on screen. It comes inherently, and he makes it look easy. Although obviously he's a very hardworking actor. But I remember seeing Gully Boy and also messaging him and congratulating him on that. I saw it a little late. When actually lockdown में देखी Gully Boy. I had not seen it before. And I really liked his performance.
You know what? जैसे मैंने कहा, तुम इंडस्ट्री के अंदर हो पर बाहर हो. You know, you're not a regular actor. You're not self-absorbed and stuff like that. पर इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में एक दो चीजें क्या है? Where you feel यार अब वक्त के साथ बदलो. Don't do this. You know, try and change these things about yourself to the Indian film industry. वो क्या होगा?
I think punctuality and discipline दो चीजें हैं जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हैं. कुछ लोगों में है, बहुत सारे लोगों में नहीं. एक तो पंक्चुअलिटी, जो एक टाइम का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, वो नहीं है. बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया उनके क्लॉक से चलती है, which is completely bogus. और दूसरा है एक certain discipline of working, general ethic on a film set.
मैंने सुना है, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, कि अगर एक एक्ट्रेस सेट पर लेट आई, इमरान अपसेट हो गए थे because you're so punctual. Even in our interviews, you come before we do, यार. You know?
Yeah, no. I've stopped doing that. I did get upset a couple of times, but I realized that, you know, and it was not for like a couple, not hours. It was like probably like half an hour, 45 minutes. I was like, I have to give that much leeway because, you know, itna to banta hai. We're staying in a place like Bombay. And people do get stuck in traffic, and there are genuine problems people have. But I've never had a situation जहाँ पे मैं 3-4 घंटे किसी के लिए wait कर रहा हूँ. नहीं. I get very impatient also when the shot doesn't get ready fast. So I make everyone's life hell on the set. अगर 1 घंटा ठीक है, 1.5 घंटा ठीक है. अगर मुझे 1.5 घंटे से ज़्यादा बैठा दिया वैन में 2 घंटा, I want to know. I reach the film set. I get out my van. I sit over there because I want what is going on. Why is it taking so much time? So.
No, but at long time back, आपने casually बोला था यार थोड़े लोग इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में प्लास्टिक है. अभी आपको लगता है इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में लोग रियल हो चुके हैं? There's no facade, कोई ये नहीं है. Are people more real now?
I don't think so. I think there are genuine people here. It's not that, but like in any industry, I wouldn't want to just malign our film industry. There is that certain crowd that also is pretentious. जो हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है. It could be in the business world, it could be in any other profession. So it just comes with just how people are generally.
क्या होता है when you enter a room after a hit, and you're in a surrounding जहाँ पे इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाले लोग हैं, you know they are praising you because you got a hit.
Yeah.
Have you entered the same room when things are not working your way and you feel थोड़ा vibe बदला है?
Yeah, but no one really tells it to your face. I mean, everyone's stock, actors' stock go up and down. But yeah, it does affect the general vibe. But जब आप किसी को personally मिलते हैं, they are as warm and as friendly if your stock was up or when it's down. But yeah, something's off about that. Something, it's not quite the same.
You know, you seem like a very easygoing guy, which is the truth. कभी कुछ चीज regret किया है life में, and don't tell me I have no regrets. We all have regrets. One thing you say, यार.
Regrets, yeah. Actually, a couple of films that I said no to that ended up becoming hits.
But बाद में जब तुमने देखा, you regretted it, yeah?
Yeah, obviously. I mean, I don't mull over it so much, but it's like, oh yeah, okay, I should have done that. But then also you're happy for whoever did it and you know their success also at the same time.
क्या तुमने वाकई में शाहरुख खान को एक बार डब्बा ढक्कन बोला था क्या?
जी.
क्या था वो?
वो एक conversation था जो अब हम we were engaged in a conversation और थोड़ी चीजें heated हो गई थी. They got out of hand and I had to do that.
Okay, I thought it was in jest, but I want to tell you one thing, Imran Hashmi.
It was in jest. It was in jest.
It was in jest. अरे यार,
I admire him as an actor. I would never call him a dabba. It was in jest.
You got me, brother.
You're trying to get words out of my mouth that I don't mean in that way.
You got me, you smart man.
I know what you're getting at.
Oh God.